Hello guys, welcome. Today we are going to discuss a problem in July Cookoff 2020 Div2. So the problem is eventual reduction. I hope that you have read the problem statement at least once before seeing the video editorial. So the problem states that we are given a string s with length n. We can perform this operation any number of times. The operation is choose a non-empty substring of s such that each character occurs an even number of times in the substring and erase this substring from S. So after deleting that substring from S, have to concatenate the remaining parts of the string, and the next operation has to be done on this string. So let us see the example. They have given an example of ACABBAD. Now we can remove this ABBA because B is repeated even number of times, that is 2, and A is repeated even number of times, that is 2. So after removing, we are left with ACD. Now we can't remove any character because the frequency of all the characters is 1. So we can't remove any character. So they are asking us, is it possible to erase the whole string using one or more operations? So now for ACD it is not possible. So we need to print no. Here it is. We need to print no. If it is possible, we have to print yes. So let us see the test cases. We can remove the whole string because BB is repeated, B is repeated twice, A is repeated twice, and C is repeated twice. So the answer is yes, because we can erase the whole string. Now let us see this example. Here we can remove ABBA and we are left with ACD. So we can't delete. This is the example which we have talked before here. So next, let's see this. FBED, FCB, DAE, BAA, CEE, BA. So if we observe this string, the frequency of each character is even. So we can delete whole string in one attempt. So we can print yes. So let us see how we can code this. So the simple approach is we have to check the frequency of all the characters. If the frequency is odd, if the frequency of any character is odd, then we have to print no, because that character will be left over in our string. If the frequency of all the characters is even, then we have to print yes. So let's code this. I am doing in Java. So first I have created the object of scanner class, and next I have scanned the value of t means test case. Now we have to input the length of first string. Now we have to scan string. Now I am taking an array to count the frequency of each characters. Now let us traverse throughout the loop. Now for this I am using hashing. So next we have to increment the frequency of index. So let us take a variable x so that we can break out of the loop whenever frequency of any character is odd. So let's see how x is useful to us. Now we have to traverse throughout all the alphabets and we have to check whether the frequency of any character is odd or not. If it is odd, then we have to break out of the loop. For that I am using x equals to 1. Now, if x equals to 0, it means all the characters' frequency is even. So what we have to print? We have to print yes, because we can erase all the elements. Else, it means a single character or some characters has odd frequency. Then we can't remove those characters. So we have to print no. So this is the code. Let's run for the sample test cases. So the answer should be yes, no, yes, no. Yes, no, yes, no. So let's submit it. Hopefully we got right answer. Thank you guys for watching.